In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus icon at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select More at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Audio. Select the chosen one and add it thanks to this icon at the top right corner. So when I tap and click on the check mark, I can see that my audio file was successfully added. If you want to add a video one, click on the same plus again. And if your video is recent, click on it here. If it's not, you need to select Gallery, look for it here and click on it. Then select Done and wait. As you can see, my video was too big, but yours will be added if it's the right size. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!